Driver Squad, what's going on? Traceway back with another video. Of course, we diving back into Ember, the Ember app. If you don't know what Ember is, so basically is where you get to start earning Bitcoin. Your miner will stop after 24 hours, after which you no longer be earning Bitcoin. To continue earning, revisit the app and turn it back on. Boost your rate by investing in a portfolio or referring a friend to Ember using your referral link. So, I do have a referral link. It's the first link in the description. And then I also have the access code, which you will also put in, and I'm going to show y'all where you put in the access code. For each friend you refer, your rate will increase by 2.5 Satoshis an hour while you both are earning simultaneously. Please note you are mining Bitcoin on the device with your device computing power. So that means it doesn't drain your battery while you are mining. It doesn't use no battery life. So you'll be good. Instead, Ember's Bitcoin mining rewards program is a fun way to earn Satoshis when you open the app every day. Also note, users aren't allowed to refer themselves. One account per person. So that means you can't use the same email twice. But if you got different emails with different devices, of course you can do that. But this is what I meant by the access code. So as I click, as I click here and click the settings, it's a enter access code. And that number that y'all see where it's an access code, you can just put that in there. And then we both gonna start earning 2.5. Shout out to the ones that already is on board. I get to see all my friends. I get to see their email and stuff like that. So I can tell if somebody activated or didn't activate. So the best way that I know how of doing it, when you click earn, make sure you put on a 24-hour timer so you can always remind yourself, so you can always be collecting Bitcoin every 24 hours and not losing nothing. And then they also have something where you get to activate boost. If you set up a password recovery, you get plus 10. You get learn daily, you get plus 2.5. And then per friend referred is 2.5, and then it's active based off of how many friends use your access code. So also, while you are learning about it from me, tell others about it. Tell others that might not know or they kind of somewhat know. Tell them this is a dope way, cool way, fun way, a very, very free way that y'all both can earn Bitcoin for free. And then lastly, your invested friends, you get plus 10 on top of that. So it's an option if you want to invest. They do have like an investing side. As you can tell, I do invest in this index. It's a Bitcoin ETF. And basically, it have some of the top coins right here that they are investing in. And I'm invested in it too. It's a 3% annual fee. And they pay out December 31st, 2020. So, there you go there. And while Bitcoin is lower, it's better to get in now than later. And then lastly, you might be wondering, how do I get money? So it goes by the snapshot date. So May 3rd, which is coming up, it lets you know if you have the required Satoshis to withdraw. To optimize Bitcoin mining fees, Ember batches, distributations. Nope, that's not that word. Why I'm so stuck on saying it. Distributes once per month. The withdrawal minimum is $5 or approximately 12,928 Satoshis. Please give Ember 3 to 5 business days after the snapshot date to completely process everyone withdrawal requests. So that means May is coming up. I know I'm going to miss May because I don't even have 12 Satoshis. So that means approximately next month I should be able to do a withdrawal. But honestly, I'm not even going to withdraw any money because I'm going to just keep growing it. the more Satoshis, the better. Especially while Bitcoin is low. I'm going to keep just gaining Satoshis. I'm going to keep the larger that you are, especially since it's free, the larger that you are mining is better to pay yourself out better. So, and also, I want to see how many people that I can put on. Not too many people know about this. So I want to see how many more people that I can put onto this so they can start earning Bitcoin for free and it start growing. And I don't think not too many people are talking about like Ember. Let me see. Like a few people have been talking about it for 3 months, 4 months ago, 1 month. Like there are people that's talking about it. Look, he doing the same thing as me. Shout out to Trading Wolves. But there's people talking about it, but they're not really talking about it. So that's something that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bring it. Oh wow, they got up to 200 an hour. Oh wow, that's a lot. Oh wow, that's dope. Oh, that's real dope. 200 an hour. I can only imagine. But we're going to grow. Driver Squad, we growing, so I ain't really worried. And then they also give you preview to information about news. So right here, they're talking about the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And you get to learn on a daily. This is for May 2nd. It just talks about the top 5 selling NFTs. And if you're interested in learning, make sure you download the app, use the access code, and we both can start earning Satoshis. And you can start mining Bitcoin for free. That's all I really wanted to get on here and talk about. Tomorrow, I am going to dive deep into the Ember DeFi index fund, the one that I'm investing. And I just want to go over the coins that I'm invested in and just see what they got to offer. I realize my platform, my channel, is really about investing in me and my mama podcast, Eye to Eye. And that's something that I have to pay attention to. I have to make sure I go back to what the audience want. And I also got to create my playlist. I'm probably going to rearrange some things. And yeah, that's what we got to do. So that's what I'm really going to be heavily on. Eye to Eye podcast and talking about Bitcoin and NFTs and tattoos. That's something that's really big on my channel. And that's something that I got to get back to. So I see you another video. Chase Way out. Peace.